Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a clothing try on haul video after a very long time. And the brand that I'm going to be showing you today is Shein.com. So I recently came across this website Shein.com. They reached out to me for a collaboration, and when I checked their website, I found the prices to be very low. Besides drop shipping, they also cater to wholesalers and individual merchants who are into clothing business, and their website had a wide variety of collection from tops to bottoms to dresses and swimwear at such affordable prices that I had to order some pieces. So today I'm going to be doing a try on haul video for you guys for the items that I ordered from their website, so that you get an idea about the quality, the fitting, etc. And I'm also going to link all the items in the description box of this video in case you like something and want to order something. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button. You guys know it all. And yeah, let's get started. So I had ordered around 6 pieces from them, one of which is a tracksuit, then one sweater, one blazer, one shirt, a pair of shorts and a skirt. And as always, I'm going to start with my favorite piece, which I actually have already worn a couple of times now. This gorgeous 2-piece set, which actually is a tracksuit. I am in love with this tracksuit. I mean, look at the color. How beautiful, how pretty is this lilac color. It comes with a pair of jogger pants, which is made of a very soft fabric. Sits really high on the waist, just the way I like it. And then there's a zipper hoodie, which is cropped in length and has full sleeves. I got it in medium size and it fits perfectly well. The ripped knit fabric is not see-through at all. It's super breathable, has really good elasticity, so it's very comfortable to wear for outdoor activities as well. I recently wore this set on a summer camping trip. I had styled it with a checkered cami top under the jacket, a baseball cap. It was looking so nice and I felt so comfortable the entire day. You can either wear it as a set or you can mix and match with different pieces in your wardrobe to create different outfits. Also, it comes in around 4 to 5 different colors, so be sure to check it out. The next piece I want to show you is this classic satin button-down shirt in white color. A white button-down shirt I feel is such a staple in any closet. You can style it in so many different ways. I had even made a video on how to style a white shirt in 10 different ways about 2 years back. I will link it up here in case you want to check out. And coming back to this shirt, I loved the simple classic pattern. It's collared, has full sleeves, pocket on one side, and then the satin finish gives it a little bit of glamour. Also, I like my shirts to be a little loose because I usually tie them in the front like this. So I ordered this in medium and it works for me. The silky fabric feels very soft and comfortable to wear. If you don't want a white shirt or already have one, you can check out the other colors it's available in. Another item that I ordered is a pair of these cargo shorts. Shorts are literally my go-to when it's hot outside, and I think I can never have enough of them, so I had to order a pair. These were available in 3 to 4 different colors, and I went for this beautiful orangish rust color. They are high waist and not too short in length. Has an elastic waistline, pockets on both sides, and comes with a detachable belt. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for summers. You can wear it with crop tops, bralettes, shirts, kimonos. I ordered it in medium size and the fit is perfect. Get ready for another staple because my next item is a blazer, a white one. I've been planning to buy a white blazer for a very long time and came across this one while browsing through their website. And guess what? This was under $15. That's insane, right? It's a long sleeve double-breasted blazer. This was available in 3 different colors and I went for this white one. It has a tailored collar and I love this golden button detailing on both sides and the sleeves, giving it a vintage touch. The size charts are pretty accurate. I got this in small size and it's perfect. I think just throwing on a blazer can instantly elevate basics like shorts, jeans, and makes the whole outfit look so much more put together. So I think blazer is definitely a must-have in your wardrobe. Now, since the weather is going to get cold very soon, I thought to try one of their sweaters as well. So I ordered this deep yellow sweater which has this very cute star pattern all over. I tried it on and it's very warm. Also, I love that it's not chunky, so you can easily layer any coats or jackets over it if it's very cold outside. It's very soft and cozy, perfect to lounge around. I love the color and pattern, and this one also is true to size. I ordered it in small and you can see how it fits. And by the way, this was under $10. My last item is a little unconventional, a denim skirt with a twist. It's a mini skirt with an asymmetric hemline and waistline, which actually makes it look very cool and unique. It has a front button closure, pockets on both sides, and distressed hemline. The only thing is there was no size chart available for this one, so I had ordered it in medium, and I feel it's a little loose on me, so I should have ordered it in small, but a belt will be able to fix it easily. Other than that, it's a great skirt. I love the style and pattern, and I can't wait to wear it with a crop top or a jacket and long boots maybe. So guys, that was all for today. I really liked all the products from this brand, and I will link all these items in the description box of this video in case you want to order something. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did, and do let me know in the comment section below which out of all these items that I ordered from their website was your favorite. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button, to get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture in the small circle over here. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.